Hello everyone, welcome back to GSM Tips. Today I will show you how to insert two SIM cards into your Samsung Galaxy S23. So for this you're going to need a pin, the SIM ejector tool from your box, and the SIM tray is on the bottom left of the phone. Now you can see two holes here, but be careful, this is not from the SIM tray, it's right on the SIM tray. So the far left. So put the SIM ejector tool in there and press so it will release the SIM tray. Now you're going to need two SIM cards, and as you will notice, on the bottom of the SIM tray there is this plastic thing here, so you will start from the front and just push the SIM card in, so this prevents the SIM falling out. And on top you won't need that, as you will keep the SIM tray facing up. Just place the SIM tray like this and press it gently, and it's all done. I picked up both my SIM cards. To remove, go again, remember this left hand side hole, just press. One is gonna fall out. For one you're going to have to twist it a bit, and it's that easy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.